Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to slow down clips in Davinci Resolve. This is a super useful technique for creating dramatic slow motion effects or simply extending the duration of your footage to match your edit perfectly. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Davinci Resolve application on your computer. Once the software loads up, you'll be greeted with the main interface. Now take a look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This will take you into the editing workspace where all your timeline and clip manipulation tools are located. This is where the magic happens for cutting and adjusting your video clips. Next up, locate the clip in your timeline that you want to slow down. Once you've found it, right-click directly on that clip. A context menu will pop up with various options for modifying your footage. From this menu, look for and click on Change Clip Speed. This option is specifically designed to let you adjust how fast or slow your clip plays back, giving you full control over the pacing of your video. After clicking that, a new window will appear on your screen. This is your speed adjustment panel. Here you'll see a field labeled Speed, and it's currently set to 100% by default. 100% represents the original playback speed of your clip. To slow down your footage, you'll need to adjust this number to something lower than 100%. For example, setting it to 50% will make your clip play at half speed, creating that classic slow motion effect. You can experiment with different values to find the exact speed that works best for your project. Once you've entered your desired speed percentage, go ahead and click the Change button to apply your adjustment. The clip will now play back at your specified slower speed, and you'll notice the duration of the clip in your timeline has automatically extended to accommodate this change. And there you have it. You've successfully slowed down your clip in Davinci Resolve, giving your footage that professional slow motion look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.